Hello and welcome here in Paris to the pre-event of the Paris Motor Show with Mercedes-Benz. Today we're going to have a closer look at the world premiere of the new Mercedes GLE, and off top we want to see the little tiny entrance model of AMG, and Smart also brought something exciting as well. 1997, Mercedes launched the M-Class, and with that car they started in the premium SUV segment. Since 2015, these cars are called GLE, just to get a bit more close to the E-Class segment. Now they present the brand new model. What it delivers in detail and what makes it special, let's find out now. So next to me is Gordon Wagner, Chief Design Officer of Mercedes-Benz. Gordon, this is the new GLE. I think that car really looks absolutely, bold on the road, let's say. Can you explain me what did you do to the car to make it look like that?
Yeah, thank you. Actually, I think you're right. The car is very bold and strong on the street. It's one of the last ones we entirely now brought into the new generation with our design language of sensual purity. That means the car is very clean, very reduced. Only one line here, we call it the catwalk line, to bring a bit of structure. But other than that, it's very full body, very powerful, and that makes the car very bold on one hand, but on the other hand, very beautiful and sexy too. So it's a beauty, but it's a tough beauty.
What about the interior? The car has grown a bit, so I think there's more space in there. What are the let's say, highlights of the interior design of the car?
Yeah, you're actually right. The interior space grew a lot, especially on the second row. There's way more space there, so it's almost half a class bigger, much bigger than every other car in the segment. The IP, of course, is in the new generation, new design language of sensual purity too, but we treat it in a little bit more rugged way. So we brought some SUV elements from the exterior into the interior, like squarish vents and stuff. We have grab handles, for holding yourself in tough terrain. And of course, we have the huge screens there with running the latest MBUX now in the latest version. So we bring an update already that includes a third world, the progressive world you're getting first time in this car.
When you look at the side of the car and you compare that with the predecessor, the old one really looks a bit old-fashioned. And one reason for that is with the new design, they completely reduced the lines at the side, and that gives the car that fresh and solid look. And another reason for that are these big wheels here, because now you can order the car with 18 up to 22-inch wheels, and that really makes the car look the way that I love so much. If I could pick my favorite part of the car, that would be definitely these sides here with these very nice shoulders, and that in combination with these new taillights. They really run deeply into the side and the rear of the car, and that really makes the car look absolutely beautiful. But it does not only look beautiful from rear, it offers something. When you open the tailgate, that car offers, with the rear seats up, 822 litres, and if you fold down the rear seats, that increases up to 2,045 litres of maximum boot capacity. So I think more than enough for a daily drive. When the GLE hits the market, there will only be one engine available, which then is the GLE 450. That car features a 3-litre 6-cylinder engine, and that offers 500 Nm of maximum torque and 367 horsepower. But very important, that also features the EQ boost system, which then offers for a short period 22 extra horsepower and another 250 Nm of maximum torque. Later, other drivetrains will follow, like other diesels, other petrols, and they also promise a plug-in hybrid system as well. So next to me is Camilla Brodner from AMG. Camilla, in the past, there was always the A45 was the entrance model for AMG. Now you did an A35. What is the reason for that, and what does that car offer?
Yes, so basically we made really great experience with the mid-size and also full-size segment with the C45, with the E53 now. And also for us it was logically to also extend our offer, and therefore in the compact segment now we have the A35. And the car itself, it stands for design first of all. So we have at the front a twin blade grille, for example, with the AMG logo. We have also an aerodynamic package, which you can see here on that car. But also the engine, we have 225 kilowatts, means 306 horsepower. We have also from the A45, we learned the 4MATIC system and we implemented here. So front axle 100%, but also can differ up to 50-50%. For the rear axle, we have the A45 system also. So there are many things like driving modes where also the customer can choose between comfortable and also sporty ride. So yeah, a good concept in general.
So as you see, this car doesn't only look like an AMG, it also should drive as one. The interior of the new GLE really looks very modern and fresh, and Gordon was absolutely right. You see we have these handles here which gives the car a bit of a rough look, so you can use them for driving off-road, and we have a completely different dashboard. You see these air vents here, they're completely new and fresh, and very important is we do have here two 12.3-inch screens combined under one glass sheet, so that is the new MBUX system now arrived in the GLE as well, and that car really is a big step, especially when you have a closer look at the predecessor. The GLE has grown a lot, and only the wheelbase has grown by 80 millimeters, and that is something that you're going to feel here at the second row, because that car now features 69 millimeters more legroom, and that is something that a tall person like me, nearly 2 meters, really can instantly feel. On top there is more headroom as well, and very important, now you can optionally order that car with a third seat row as well. Smart is celebrating its 20th anniversary here at the Paris Motor Show, and so they brought a concept car. It looks a bit futuristic, but to be honest, that car features 80% of standard parts. But I think it's an absolute beauty. That was the pre-event of Mercedes-Benz here at the Paris Motor Show 2018. If I should pick one of these cars instantly, of course I would take the GLE, because I absolutely adore the look of the car. The next car we're going to have a closer look at will be the world premiere of the new Mercedes B-Class, but for that one we're going to have to wait another night.